When Mommy puts on her bag at night, where is she going? Where does Mommy go when she puts on her bag at night? Yay! Where does she go? Sagan. Uh-oh. Okay, I got it. Yay, that's what I wanted to get.
Can you say it again?
Yeah.
Where do you go when you when you go over and ride bikes? Who did you ride bikes with?
Grandma?
It was fun.
Are there motorcycles? Are they fun?
Motorcycles are fun. Soccer game! Can you say it loud?
Yeah. Where?
Say it again.
Where?
She's like, okay.
Okay,
Oh.
done.